Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the square root of 144. Let's start. Firstly, we have to factorize 144. See that 144 is an even number. So we have 144 is equal to 2 times 72. In the same way, 72 is equal to 2 times 36. Again, 36 is also an even number. So we have 36 is equal to 2 times 18. In the same way, 18 is equal to 2 times 9. And we know that 9 is equal to 3 times 3. Now all these factors are prime numbers. So we need not to factorize further. So finally we get 144 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now we will take square root on the both sides. Doing that we get square root of 144 is equal to square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now we will make groups of two equal numbers. Doing that we get square root of 2 times 2 times square root of 2 times 2 times square root of 3 times 3. From the first square root now we get 2, and from the second square root we again get 2, and the third square root gives us 3. As we know that square root of a times a is equal to a. In the first and the second square root, a is 2, and in the third square root, a is 3. After multiplication, we get 12, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.